Okay, about Sergio, she was turned over from Nueva Ecija, PRO3 to Camp Crame last night. So she is now in the custody of the Philippine National Police. Hanggang doon lang tayo. Well, we have also to consider yung sinasabi kanina ni Colonel Suan na this involves yung West African syndicates, no? Yung gamit ng mules. This involves the security rin ng and the anong tawag dyan? Crime situation not only of the Philippines but of the region ng Asia Pacific region, no? Ang mga involved dito hindi lang yung local kundi yung mga international, no? Meaning hindi lang ganun kasimple ito. We shouldn't be too simplistic dito sa case ni Sergio and of course yung Veloso. Hindi lang yung papel niya but the case itself is a big case. And it will involve yung security niya and everything and it's a life and death case.
Famous dyan itong West African Drug Syndicate. Silang mga naka-base dito sa Pilipinas. Actually, the drug traction are being conducted outside the country. Dito lang sila nire-recruit.
Sir, international yung operation talaga nito, pero bakit Pinoy yung nire-recruit?
Una-una, madali tayong may recruit at saka ang problema is economic nga. Malakas ang loob ng mga Pilipino.